honor thy parents. This was said by many philosophers and wise men of the past. The first duty of society is justice, and justice demands respect for parents. Plato. Plato was an ancient Greek philosopher of the classical period, who is considered a top thinker in philosophy. He founded the Academy, a philosophical school in Athens, where Plato taught the doctrines that would later become known as Platonism. My child, listen when your father corrects you. Don't neglect your mother's instruction. What you learn from them will crown you with grace and be a chain of honor around your neck. This was said by King Solomon, who was a monarch of ancient Israel and the son of King David. Solomon built the first temple in Jerusalem and was one of the wisest people ever alive. Obedience to parents is the foundation of all virtues. Aristotle. Aristotle was an ancient Greek philosopher. Shortly after Plato died, Aristotle left Athens and, at the request of Philip II of Macedon, he tutored his son Alexander the Great, beginning in 343rd year BC. Respect for parents is the highest duty of civil life. Confucius. Confucius was a Chinese philosopher who is traditionally considered the paragon of Chinese sages. Confucius considered himself a transmitter of the value of earlier periods, which he claimed had been abandoned in his time. Honor likewise your parents and those most nearly related to you. Of all the rest of mankind, make him your friend who distinguishes himself by his virtue. Pythagoras was an ancient Greek philosopher. Although Pythagoras is most famous today for his alleged mathematical discoveries, such as his famous theorem, Pythagoras believed in harmony of the spheres, which maintained that the planets and stars move according to mathematical equations, which correspond to musical notes, and thus produce an inaudible symphony.